today is Tuesday, the day before my shoot. So yesterday was an extremely low carb day for me. I woke up like dragging. But you know what makes that better? My coffee in the mornings. Is coffee in the morning like everything to you like it is to me? It just sets my day. I'm good to go after my coffee. That's all I need, okay? Alright, I made breakfast for Tajan this morning. And we're gonna drop him off at school. Then I get in my workouts. I like to work out early in the morning just because I get out of the way. And then I'm set. Alright, so we're gonna do that. I'm taking a Muay Thai class today. I usually do that for my cardio. And I'm gonna lift a little. Thinking about taking a Solidcore class. I just want to like deplete my muscles today. So we're doing that, and it's high carb day. I'm so excited to eat carbs. You have no idea. Yeah, so gonna take out with me today, and oh, I wanted to show you a body update right now so you can see me before my shoot and then tomorrow morning. From workout, getting my nails done. I got like this bubblegum pink gel. I love gel just because it stays on so much longer, and since I work out a lot, my hands go through a beating. So yeah, right now just going to eat, relax, and drink a little bit of water. I have decreased my water for today just because I want to be like drier when we shoot. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And oh, I weighed myself. I'm down 15 pounds since I started the cut. So far so good. Everything's perfect right now. I don't have any makeup on, so I'm sorry you gotta look at this. But I'm just trying to like keep my skin looking good. So nothing on my face right now. I plan on doing a mask tonight, and yeah, that's what we are doing right now. So I just want to show you some things that I use often for like pre-shoots. These 50 reps, This was actually recently sent to me, so I want to try this out. It's a pore green tea mud sheet mask, and I know that green tea and just like mud masks in general will make the skin look a bit tighter, so I'm going to use that. And this is the one that I typically use, this anti-stress. It's a clay mask, so a lot of people ask me what type of clay mask I used in the belly wrap that I made, and this was it. So Freeman anti-stress mask, and it's clay. You gotta make sure it's clay. So yeah, I'm gonna do this one tonight. Alright, so I am going to close out the video right here. Taejin is getting ready for bed. Taejin, you want to say goodnight?
Good night. I'm going to sleep now.
That is it. I will see you guys in the next video.